These are 2 quick and useful stretches you can do if you're somebody that struggles with chronic recurring low back pain. The 2 exercises we're going to go over today for low back recurring back pain. And what I mean by that is low back pain that keeps coming up every 2 weeks, 6 weeks, 6 months. If you tried stretching or moving in the middle of the spine and you're just not getting that relief, we're going to actually look in a different area, on the sides of your low back. Muscle out here is called quadratus lumborum. It starts at the bottom of your rib cage and goes to the top of your hips. And a lot of times this can get really tight and cause discomfort in your low back. So how we're going to stretch that out is I'm going to have Cody turn around. We're going to put our elbow against the wall. We're going to give ourselves some support so we're stable. He's going to put his feet out a little bit further against the wall and he's going to cross his outside leg in. Perfect. Once you're comfortable there and feel stable, we're going to jet our hip out and we're just going to try to touch the wall. And you're going to try to get really long, try to get that wrist away from that hip so we can stretch right through here. If this is comfortable enough and you feel like you can accomplish a little bit more, we're just going to have him reach about 45 degrees more. And that'll get a little bit more of a latissimus dorsi in that stretch too, which is super helpful. Now that we have his side of his low back stretched, we're going to focus on another group that can give a little bit of problems for low back pain, and that's the gluteal muscles. So what we're going to have Cody do here, we're going to have him lay on his back. Perfect. And this is a stretch you can do by yourself. You can use the wall at home if that's something that you're comfortable with. Or if you have a partner at home, they can help assist you in this stretch as well. You're just going to cross that outside leg over. And you're going to grab this leg, you're going to bend this knee so you get a good deep stretch. And I'm going to help Cody out here. You feel that in that glute muscle, so he should be feeling it kind of on that outside of that hip, maybe a little bit on that back, okay? If you feel like your hip is still a little bit tight, what I encourage patients to do, put your hand right here on the inside of that knee. Perfect. And I just want you to give a little bit of push and you should feel, yep, we're gonna push it out this way. You should feel a little stretch in that hip capsule. Yeah. And you're gonna let it go. I tell patients to do that 3, maybe 5 times. So those are 2 quick and useful exercises you can utilize if you're a person struggling with chronic recurring low back pain. Leave us a comment if you like this or if you want to hear other content from us, and let's get you moving forward in the right direction.